Oh, hell yeah. That's what I like to see. Oh, look at this fella. Poison got him. Oh, he's still alive. He's still moving on. So yeah. Nice. Oh. Unfolding instructions. I'm sure it's warm enough here for them to gain their shape
I
again.
reckon so, yeah.
Now, where do I start? Oh, there's my boiler. Oh, that's way more aggressive than that one, is it? Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Yes, much better. Much better. One side. Oh, no, rear lip. Rear lip. Nice. How do I see skirts?
Jay's, be a happy chappy now today?
Yes. Get them all ready
No
for
little
paint.
goodies, no goodies. Oh, hell yeah.
I'm ready for paint. And then
That spoiler will nearly fit over the one that's on it. Get rid of these waves in it.
this one sits inside now. Yeah, that's a lot chunkier looking, alright. Come on, straighten out, straighten out. Sweet. So, welcome back. Today I'm gonna prep up all the bits of kit. Get all the edges. It all sits in on this tiny little lip. I'm gonna prep all that up. Get all the moulding agent off it. Clean her all up. Test fit the bits. Might get them painted today and then hopefully fitted tomorrow. I can't wait to see it all on. Should be pretty nice. It's already nearly 33 degrees. It's gonna get to 39. Oh well. Let's get stuck into it. It's pretty wide there. It's pretty narrow here. I'm just gonna even up this whole edge so that the tape has something to stick to. The whole way around, just square it all off. Get all the shit from the moulding process off it. See in there, it's only gonna stick by the thin little lip, so I'm gonna prepare all of that surface the whole way along. And get the corners, square up them corners a little bit more. But it shouldn't take too long. I think I need to take a little bit off it, or not that side's cut pretty even. It's this side. I need to just take that corner out, make a little bit of room for the exhaust. And front lip, it's not KBD, but just cheap eBay, but it's actually good. It's nice and flexy as well. That little lip sits in behind where the standard one goes. It just sits up on the top of the bumper and then back into that lip on the other side. And then the side skirt and the other side skirt and the spoiler. Right, so that's one done. You can see I've sanded all the way down on the inside, around 90% of the inside of it. Smoothened off all this edge, all the way around, and down underneath, because I might put a layer of double-sided tape under, just to bridge up this little bit of a gap here, so I can put another layer across, just get a bit better adhesion. The corner's looking a lot better now. Bit of mirror prep.
Gotta polish that mirror.
No, sand it, don't polish it. Oh, it's too warm for this shit. Plastic primer so that the paint don't crack. Sweet, and she's all dried out. It's nearly dry already. All of it's painted. Right, so that's what got killed. We emptied all of them. Doing them. I think we need some more. But oh well. Until the next time when we go fitting them, that's about it. Bye bye.
Cherry